Performing a soft reset on your BuzzTV 6 device is a straightforward process that can help refresh your system or resolve minor issues. This method is common across all devices running the BuzzTV 6 operating system, including the PowerStation 6 and the Classic AI. Before you start, please keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all data and return your device to its original out-of-the-box state. To save your server settings and personal preferences, we strongly recommend using the backup and restore feature first. You can find the link to that tutorial in the description below. To begin the reset, start from your home screen and navigate to the top right corner to open the settings menu. Next, scroll down and select Device Preferences. From this menu, select About and then choose Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the action. Once the process is complete, your device will restart and bring you back to the initial setup screen. You are now ready to set up your BuzzTV 6 device as if it were brand new.